Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off voice chat or mute your opponent in Madden NFL 27. There are a couple of ways you can do it. The first option is to mute your opponent directly during an online game. When you are on the play selection screen, press the options button on PlayStation or the menu button on Xbox. From there, look for the option to mute your opponent and select it. You can repeat this same process to unmute your opponent. You can also try disabling voice chat from the game settings. Go to the main menu, open settings, and then go into the audio settings. Scroll down toward the bottom, and if you have the voice chat option available, you can turn it off. Keep in mind, depending on the platform you are playing on, you may not see the voice chat setting inside the game. If you are playing on a console and the option isn't available, you can also check the console's own communication or voice chat settings. So if you just want to stop hearing your opponent, you can either mute them during an online match or disable voice chat through the available audio or console settings. And that's how you can disable voice chat or mute an opponent in Madden NFL 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.